here are my ingredients for this beef stew. This is in the French tradition of beef bourguignon. I have pretty much everything right here except for the water itself. I got about just under 2 pounds of chuck meat. It's really well marbled. And here is mostly the aromatics. So I have carrots that look kind of spent, and that's perfect because they're going to cook for a long time. A bunch of shallots that still look beautiful. Garlic, curly parsley, and I have some thyme. Of course, salt and pepper. This is about 2.5 tablespoons of flour to dust the bottom of the pan after the meat's been seared off and after the carrots and shallots and garlic have cooked a while. The beginning of the braising process, I'm going to add this, so you'll see that. And then right after that, I'm going to add just over a cup of red wine. It's going to reduce down, it's going to taste wonderful and really enhance the flavors of the dish. 1.5 cups of homemade stock that I made the other day. So that's the overview of the ingredients. We're going to start processing them. It's important to note the use of a flat-bottomed wooden spatula here. That's really important for scraping up the bits at the bottom of the pan. This is what it looks like after about an hour. I've been skimming it every 20 minutes or so, and it still has a little bit of scum, but it's nothing really that bad, and I'm going to get rid of it anyway. Just little by little, you just have to skim the top. It'll just start to come together and become more of a gravy consistency toward the end. It has another hour to go.